What's up guys, it's Alec back with the vlog, and today we're working on the 8.6. So I got some stuff I gotta do. Since the last time, actually I don't even know if you guys have seen this car. So a few updates. It's boosted, got a little spoolie boy on it. Wait, look.
Are you making a video?
Yeah.
You're so lame.
No, you're gonna special guest star in it.
No.
Yeah.
I'm gonna submit a copyright claim and get the video taken down.
So as I was saying, before Jack and Cam decided to interrupt me, working on the 8.6 today. This is the JDL V2 kit with the GTX 2860R Gen 2. So that's the dual ball bearing version. That's water cooled as well. It's a blast to drive. Took me and Willem like 2 days to put it on. Pretty easy, actually super well designed kit. Big shout out to JDL for like that sweet kit engineering. Super appreciative of that. So that's one update on the 8.6. We now have a garage, so we have a place to work on stuff. It's a mess right now because we're still getting all moved in. Big things coming on the CB soon. Spoiler, it's getting a new heart, needs it. But today we're working on some heat management problems I'm having on this car. So now that it's boosted, produces a lot more heat under the hood. What we're gonna do is I have a turbo blanket on there already. That really cut down the intake temps by probably 10 degrees, which was awesome. I'm gonna wrap the downpipe. I ordered some titanium heat wrap from Summit Racing. Let's have it soaking in water right there. Little trick on that, if you soak it in water, you can get a much tighter wrap, and the fibers don't like come off and get stuck in your hands, so it's like way easier to deal with. We're gonna do that. For that, I probably need to take the downpipe off. Which kind of sucks. I would rather just leave it on the car, but that's probably not gonna happen because it's probably gonna take the O2 sensors out and all that. So that probably won't be terrible. I'm gonna pull the bumper off, and then we need to move the oil cooler. I have a Mishimoto oil cooler up in the front, sitting in front of the intercooler. It needs to be moved behind the intercooler because it is heat soaking it. Right now, because we are obviously in COVID, the place I need to buy my bash bar from for up front is currently not making them. So until I can do that, I can't mount the oil cooler in a good spot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the bumper off, put it behind the oil cooler, and I have some self-tapping screws I'm just gonna drill into the bottom with, so it kind of stays put there. The hot air will go behind the intercooler, so that should probably help. So we have the heat wrap, move the oil cooler, and then I have a front lip sitting up there. That's actually my second, because the first time I was an idiot and used the self-tapping screws that they gave me, and it flew off on the highway. So that was cool. So I ordered a second one. Good thing it's just eBay. It's the CS lip for the 2017. So we're gonna throw those on, and hopefully this goes pretty quickly because I'm pretty tired and I don't want to be working on this thing all night. So that's my introduction, and let's hop right to it. All right, so, oh, that's a nasty shot. Let me turn that off. I'm gonna move the oil cooler. It's in a pretty bad spot, just sitting up front right now. So I'm gonna put that probably right here. This is sturdy, so I'm going to just drill into it and then mount it on the bottom. We'll see how that goes. Boom, self-tapping screws, drill. Oil cooler, behind the intercooler. Okay, so it's not sturdy, but it ain't going anywhere. It's just to hold it in place. So now the oil cooler's behind the intercooler. Should help a decent amount with airflow. I'm hoping to see a tiny drop in IATs. If not, then whatever. So I will have to do like gold heat wrap or something on the intake pipe. And I'm hoping, because right now it's open downpipe, once I get an exhaust, that'll also drop the engine bay temperatures, because right now it gets pretty hot. So that was easy. Now we're going to probably attempt to take the downpipe off and then wrap that. So let's see how it goes. All right, y'all, these bolts are a struggle. I'm gonna pull the downpipe off camera, and then when I get to wrapping, I'll start recording again. So I'll catch you in a few seconds. All right, what's up, y'all? It's a few hours later. Finally got the stupid downpipe off, so let me see if I can get some, oh, tripod. There it is right there. Yep, and then the recirculating wastegate tube is also out. So I'm going to start heat wrapping those. Oil cooler is Relocated, minty, with these ghetto, probably can't see that, ghetto self-tapping screws, but it works. Turbo looks good. Has, I don't know why, but this turbo just randomly has like some shaft play. I don't know if like all the ball bearing turbos are like that, but yeah, turbine feels fine. It's clean. So I have a 3-inch downpipe to right now just a stock overpipe, and obviously they don't fit because the stock one is 2-inch. So I'm just gonna put one bolt in so it doesn't hang on like my subframe. That's probably as best it's gonna get for a little now because I haven't bought the JDL overpipe yet, which I need to buy. Once I do that, can button it all up and then put the lip on. I think what I'm gonna have to do is drive it off these Rhino ramps because it's gonna be too low with the lip. Put the bumper on afterwards. We'll figure it out. But that's the current status update, and so far, going pretty smooth. The turbo blanket's gonna be a pain in the ass to get back on, but we'll send it. So I'm gonna start the time lapse of me wrapping the downpipe. Let's get to it. All right, y'all, downpipe's wrapped. Let's give it a peep. Not bad, not bad. Went on pretty easy. Yeah, not bad. The bottom part, I kind of went sparse because one, you can't see it, and two, the downpipe's already ceramic coated, so it does some sort of like heat dissipation. But sorry for the loud, I have the fan on. But up top, by where the actual like charge pipe sits, it's pretty tightly wrapped, so hopefully it stays on. We'll see how it lasts over time. I'm not gonna wrap the wastegate recirculating tube because it's so small and it is ceramic coated. So like, I got all the hot side coated. It's not near the like charge pipe or anything, and there's airflow under there. So I think I should be okay leaving that unwrapped, but downpipe's good, so hopefully that helps a little bit. Shitty part about that, I don't know where my metal zip ties are. Screwed there. I'm gonna have to find metal zip ties. I have them somewhere, I just don't know where they're at. But I'm gonna find the metal zip ties. I have like white plastic ones on there right now, which suck, but like, and probably can't get very hot. Yeah, and then I'll just cut those off and put the metal ones on and we'll be mint. So, no big deal. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap that up pipe. Should be mint, and then we can button it all up back together, and then we'll figure out something to do with that front lip. Okay, update. We have enough in the chat. I can't wrap the up pipe because there is no freaking clearance. So let me see if I can explain what's happening. Can't see anything. Okay, so this is the up pipe. There's the collector from the manifold. This goes to the turbo, right there. So there is no clearance to wrap in here. So here's the fan. Let me use this hand. This is part of the fan shroud. That's a plastic bracket. I can't get the wrap around there. And then down by the wastegate, which is that right there where my finger's touching, no clearance either. I'd have to take the radiator out, and since I'm going to do that eventually, what I'm gonna do is just wait to wrap that up pipe when I get the small fan shroud, and probably a Mishimoto radiator, because I feel like I should have one just because it's boosted and creates so much heat. Yeah, so now I can button this back up and we can get the lip on. So sweet. All right, semi successful. Not totally successful, but we're like 75% of the way there. I'm glad we got the downpipe wrap though, because that was a big heat source coming out the turbo. And then also, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna bolt up that bottom part of the downpipe to the stock up pipe with 1 bolt, so it kind of holds it in there. It will sound like it has an exhaust leak, but like at least some exhaust is gonna go through. Not bad, but okay, so we'll keep at it. What I'm gonna do is just go ahead and get that downpipe back on off camera because it's a pain in the ass, and put the wastegate recirculating pipe back on, and then I'm probably gonna just go ahead and put the bumper on. Yeah, and then I'll get it off the Rhino ramp, and we'll put the lip on. I like that idea. Okay, we'll do that, and then maybe, see, I don't know. I don't want to destroy the lip if I have to back it off the Rhino ramps. It is an eBay lip, but like, still, I don't want it to rip holes in my bumper. Maybe we'll stack wood on it. Yeah, let's do that. All right, lip on the bumper. Well, downpipe on first, recirculating pipe, lip on the bumper, plug everything back up, and yeah, we'll button it back up and see how it looks. So I'll catch you off camera, and then right when I put the lip on, I will start recording again. So see you in 1 second. Boom. Alright guys, camera battery's about to die. She's all wrapped up for the most part. Next step is I'm gonna try and back this off the Rhino ramps without destroying the splitter. So here goes nothing. I'll catch you when she's down.